He left the oven on. I don't know if he meant to do that. Hi, my name. we're gonna do that again. Hi, my name's Izzy Blue. I can't do it. Hi, my name's Izzy Blue. I've been doing drag for. Oh, what was I gonna say? So as of November, officially been like a year in drag. Yay! Congrats, confetti, confetti. And I just thought I would come on here, share a few, not tips necessarily, but like things that I've learned from that year. Um, Still learning. Again, it's only been a year. Can probably tell from the ensemble, but like, listen, bitch. If you see me, like, I don't really know where to look necessarily. I think I'm supposed to look at that little green dot there. I need to keep. I think I'm supposed to look at that little green dot there. Um, I don't know, bitch. We'll figure it out. Okay, first one. It's okay to be bad, and I know it's cliche and people don't want to hear it, but baby, you're gonna be like boo boo bucket nasty when you first start, and that's all right. Maybe you're sickening in the face. Look, bleh. Maybe you're sickening in the face. Like yours truly, but the performance skills, they ain't there. That's how I was. The mug stamped from day one, okay? Couldn't tell me shit. Everything else needed work. And I mean, still kind of does need work, but we're getting there. And that's the point. You're not going to start out like, I don't know, I mean, shit. Maybe you will. I don't. Everybody's journey's different, but I know base level. Most people aren't gonna start out bucking and kicking, hair flips, looking flawless, like Kennedy Davenport, Sasha Colby. Like this ain't. You're not gonna be a drag race bitch, and that's all right. You know, and you need to be at peace with that because maybe everyone else is. Okay, you're just starting, and you're gonna be bad, and that's okay. Point number two: you don't need a lot to start out, but the things that you do need are relatively expensive. You don't need to spend a lot on clothes. Don't do it. Don't. You need an outfit. I mean, it doesn't have to be a nice outfit necessarily. Just get you something from Goodwill. Rhinestone that bitch. Work it out. Exhibit A. Two, you need you a nice wig. I don't know if she's necessarily nice, but she is new. She is one of the newer additions to Izzy's collection. Three, comfy pair of shoes. Also, get I need to do this. I need to get some of those little like things that you put on the bottom of the shoe so that, you don't slide and shit. Yeah, essentially, drag doesn't have to be expensive to be good, and especially if you're starting out, don't spend a shit ton of money trying to look good and all that, and like your performance skills or your makeup skills are just boo boo fucking nasty. Like, just don't do it. Number three, with platforms like RuPaul's Drag Race and Dragula and I don't know what else. Essentially, people think that drag queens make a lot of money and that drag is like this get rich quick scheme. No. Essentially, if you're going into drag thinking you're going to be like making a lot of money, that's just not the case. Um, Unless you're one of these girls that's out here like doing gig after gig after gig every night, like on a regular basis, you're not. Maybe at a show you'll make like, I don't know, let's say $30 max. I mean, I've had more than that a couple of times, but At the like low end, I got $7. So like expect that. Be realistic, essentially. All right, number 4, know your words. Like you should know the song. You should have played this song so many times that Spotify, YouTube, Apple Play, whatever the fuck, thinks that this is your favorite song. Like this person, whoever's song it is, they need to be in your top artist in your Spotify rap at the end of the year. Because yes, you can like watermelon bubblegum that shit, but like the bitches who know, and they will tell you about it. And they will. That's the here in my mouth. That's the thing. Like people, sure, general audiences they might not clue in unless it's like really fucking bad. And in that case, maybe just like sure she might look nasty and her wig is like biting my toe, but she knew her words. Number 5, give yourself time. Give yourself plenty of time so that you're not running late to the gig. Now, I know there's a thing called drag time, and you know, they say the show starts at, I don't know, like, check in is at like 7, but they don't expect everybody to be there until 7:30, 8, you know? However, you don't want to be that girl. I've been that girl a couple of times and I've wanted to die. And you don't want to do that. So, what you do is if you know, if you're someone like me and you know it takes you a while to like do your makeup, get in glam, put on body and all that. No, gotta do that on YouTube. Is that First of all, I need to make new hip pads. I kind of want my shit to be out to like wah, you know, so that it makes my waist look all teeny. I mean, my ass look great because like normally I don't have one, but the hip department she kind of lacking. If I'm just being honest. Anyway, what was I saying? Usually lay everything out the day beforehand. Make sure all your makeup, like brushes and shit, clean, all that, easily accessible, and like a spot that you'll remember. Um, I would recommend running through the makeup beforehand, especially if it's a look that you haven't tried before. Uh, I usually don't do that because I kind of do at this point. I kind of just do the same eye makeup. Not even gonna lie. Also, I don't know if everyone does this. I usually like to have, my music playing in the background so that I can also like lip sync and all that and like go through my little, uh, 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 like my dances and shit while I'm at it. So that then by the time I get to the gig, sure, usually I forget everything because, panic, but no one can say you didn't try, you know? That's not. Well, let's get into this. Into, bitch, I look good. Don't look at my lace. Bitch, I look good. Number 6, wear test everything. And this is pointed at me specifically because I don't wear test a lot of my shit. I finish it and I'm like, well, hope this works. And I put it on, and sometimes it does work. Sometimes it's very simple project, you know. And other times it falls apart on stage, and everyone's just like, "Ooh." But yeah, wear test everything. Because starting out, a lot of your shit's gonna be DIY. I mean, I would recommend to keep it on the cheaper end. Like, also creativity. You can like do a lot of shit DIY. Number 7, do your own thing. Back to creativity. Be creative, okay? A lot of the critique that I see for like drag and like newer performers and just, shit in general is a lack of creativity, that everyone's just kind of doing the same thing. And people really like appreciate when you go out and do your own shit, when you have your own like weird specific box. Like what the fucking AI sponge the AI Patrick cover of God, what's that one song? But yeah, I made a mix to that. Everyone loved it. See? Like, or the cloud outfit that I made that fell apart, mind you, but it was creative. It was out of the box. People hadn't seen that shit. Okay, they're just people are missing the creative aspect, the otherworldly, the like larger than life aspect of drag. And if you bring something with your own spin, people are really gonna appreciate it. Essentially. And then 8, this one's also cliche as hell. Um, but that is just have fun. Drag is supposed to be fun. Let me let me get close when I say this. Drag is supposed to be fun. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Like at the end of the day, we're a bunch of people dressing up to perform other people's songs at a bar. Shit. Like we're literally pretending to sing while dressed up like this or something else and fucking shit like this. And then like I don't know, acting like we fucking did the moon landing or some shit. It's never that deep, is what I'm saying. Um, yes, you should care. Yes, you should put your all into it. However, if it gets to a point where it's like stressing you out or making you angry, or like you're arguing with people and like picking fights and shit, that's when you need to step back and like reevaluate and realize that we're just bitches in wigs. It's not that deep. Have fun, be safe, you know um go out, connect with your local community, reach out to people in other communities. Drag, it's all about community connection, having fun. It's more than just drag race. Support local drag, book drag kings. um what else do I want to say? I don't know, follow me on all of my shit. This is my first video, obviously. um I don't know, I'll probably have more to come, and hopefully they're a lot better put together than this. This was very much spur of the moment. If I don't do it now, I'm not going to. So, yeah, and until then, catch you on the flip side, or whatever the fuck people. I need to stop cussing. This is like the next day, but I wanted to pop in, and because I forgot to say like and subscribe, so like and subscribe. Um, I don't know. I have a bunch of like video ideas written down on my phone, but if you guys have any like suggestions, uh, I don't know, comments, advice for what I can improve on, I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, just see ya. Wait for this last bit. We're just gonna. Oop, oop. Hi. Ooh.